Hello and welcome to SmartlyQ. In this short tutorial guide, we're going to be exploring how to add our own AI assistant. So one of the standard features of SmartlyQ is the ability to create your own AI assistants. These assistants can adopt specific personas, which enables them to respond in ways that align with your particular roles or expertise. This ensures that you receive the most relevant and effective support for your content needs. So let's dive right into it. To find the assistant creation page, just go to the left-hand side menu under My Settings, expand this section, and then click My Assistant. If you already have assistants created, they will be depicted here in a list. Otherwise, you can just always add a new assistant. So there are a few things we have to fill in here. We can add an avatar image. Then we have to add a name so that we know what they are about. You can select a specific model for your needs. You can also optionally add a role or a group. And then you can add an introduction for the assistant. And then you can add your prompts, your instructions on how you want the specific assistant to behave. Finally, you can upload as many documents as you want, many files that contain a knowledge base, which the AI assistant can then draw upon and create your content. So let's create an example here. Let's use a social media marketer. Alright, so I filled in some details. The name is going to be social media content creator. I'm going to choose GPT 4.1. You can choose whatever you want. Added a role, head of engagement and content. As a group, I added marketing team. And here, their introduction is this. Hello, I'm Greg, your dedicated social media content creator, blah, blah, blah. And I've added some instructions, so we can tell it how to respond. You can also add some knowledge. I have a sample TXT file here with some specific instructions, perhaps, how to reply, and etc. I'm just going to add that to help us with our generation. Okay, it's uploaded. You can upload more files if you want, and then I'm just going to add like a simple avatar so that we know what it looks like. If you want to activate it and publish it, simply make sure this is checked, and then just click Save Settings. Alright, so it is active. You can also delete it here if you don't like it anymore. And let's go back to the assistant list. Okay, so this is the AI assistant I just created. You can again press edit and tweak it if you don't like its responses or you want to make it more refined, and delete it again if you don't want it. And then let's go and test it. So I'm going to go back to the assistants, and we can see that in addition to all the predefined assistant we have in SmartlyQ, our own has been added as well here. So I'm just going to click on her and start giving it some prompts. So let's ask it to create for us some posts. Alright, so I'm going to ask it to generate 3 social media posts in 3 platforms, Instagram, X, and LinkedIn, for a specific line of seasonal fruit jams. Okay, let's see how it goes. Alright, looks pretty good, I guess. It's added some hashtags as well, some emojis, and there's a CTA that I've added in the knowledge base. So it looks pretty good. So if you're happy with your assistant responses, you can keep it as it is, or you can just simply go back to the assistant. You can edit it, and you can tweak the specific instructions to make it more tailored to your needs. And that's how you create new assistants, or you can edit them if you want.